Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to airdrop files from your iPhone to your iPad. It's super easy and fast. Let's get started. First, make sure that both of your iPhone and iPad have Wi-Fi or Bluetooth turned on or AirPod turned on. On your iPhone, open the Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner. Press and hold the connection box, then tap AirDrop and choose either contacts only or everyone. Do the same on your iPad so it can receive files. Now on your iPhone, open the file, photo, or video that you want to send and tap the share icon. From the sharing options, tap AirDrop and select your iPod from the list of available devices. And on your iPad, tap Accept to receive the file and it will be saved automatically. Photos go to Photos app while other files may go to Files app. And that's it. You've successfully airdropped a file from your iPhone to your iPad. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.